and welcome back. My name is Mohammad Sawadul Haq and my topic is Introduction to Software Processes. What is software process? First, let's define what a software process is. In brief, it is a collection of activities that are well structured and essential in developing a software system. The processes are vital in ensuring standardization, quality, and coherence among team members during the development of lifecycle. Key process activities. There are four key process activities. Number one is specification. This is where the specification of what the system is to do and its constraints are outlined. Number two is design and implementation. Design and implementation focus on creating the architecture of the software and writing the code. Number third is validation. Validation ensures that the system meets the needs of its users through intensive testing. And number four is evolution. Evolution adapts the software to changing needs, thereby assuring its continued vitality. Why are software processes are important? Importance of software processes for a variety of reasons. They ensure resource efficiency, facilitate the timely production and release of high quality software, and keep all project stakeholders in sync. Besides, well defined processes lower the risk of project failure and reduce the miscommunication within development team. Software process models. Software process models are abstract representations that provide a framework to drive a software development project. These models similarly simplify the complexity of such processes and enable teams to implement and manage projects effectively with consistency and clarity. Examples of process models. There are three types of several software process models in the industry. For example, waterfall, incremental, and agile. The waterfall model is a linear phased approach where in each phase commences with the completion of another phase. Incremental model. Incremental development requires development of the system in small manageable building blocks, increments. Early user feedback is possible. Agile model emphasizes agility and iteration with a focus on continued delivery of value with great stakeholder involvement. Thank you for watching.